Welcome to Acer Rider. Today we dive into an in-depth review of the all-new 2025 Yamaha YZ450F dirt bike, a machine that refines an already stellar platform into a more stable, responsive, and rider-friendly beast. In this video script, we'll break down every aspect of the bike, from its design and engine to its suspension and ride impressions, offering you a complete picture of why the 2025 YZ450 Fit is capturing the attention of dirt bike enthusiasts everywhere. A fresh look with a racing DNA. The 2025 YZ450F carries forward Yamaha's legacy of high-performance motocross machines, while integrating subtle yet significant updates. The revised design features a sleek, aggressive body that comes in both the classic Team Yamaha Blue and the head-turning Monster Energy Racing Edition. Not only does the new styling pay homage to Yamaha's racing pedigree, but it also improves ergonomics with a lower, more compact fuel tank and a redesigned seat profile that enhances rider comfort during long, grueling sessions on the track. Engineered for power and precision, at the heart of the 2025 YZ450F is a robust 450cc liquid-cooled DOHC 4-stroke engine. With 4 titanium valves and a compression ratio of 13:1:1, this engine delivers an impressive blend of power and torque across the rev range. Yamaha's engineering team has also refined the engine mounting with a one-piece front engine mount, boosting chassis rigidity and offering a more planted feel when leaning into turns. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with a state-of-the-art power tuner app that allows riders to fine-tune the air/fuel mixture, ignition timing, and traction settings to suit varying track conditions. All from the convenience of your smartphone. Suspension and handling, a new level of control. One of the most notable upgrades on the 2025 model is the overhaul of its suspension components. Yamaha has updated the rear suspension linkage along with new shock settings to provide enhanced traction and stability. The front fork now features delta-shaped slow-speed shims that promote a more linear damping curve and calmer front-end behavior even under aggressive braking. These adjustments not only minimize unwanted pitching during throttle transitions, but also allow for a smoother, more predictable ride, empowering riders to push their limits with confidence. Riding impressions and on-track performance. The 2025 YZ450F isn't just about raw numbers, it's about delivering a superior riding experience. On the track, the bike feels exceptionally balanced, its improved front-end bite and refined suspension translate to sharper turn-in and more consistent traction on varied terrain. Whether you're blasting down straightaways or carving tight corners, the bike's responsiveness makes it feel like an extension of your body. The enhanced throttle response combined with the customizable engine maps ensures that every rider can dial in the performance to suit their style, whether you're a seasoned pro or an ambitious amateur. Innovative features that set it apart? Yamaha has thoughtfully addressed some of the common issues of previous models. The new clutch design, with increased oil cooling passages from 6 to 18 holes, ensures smoother engagement and enhanced durability during intense riding. Moreover, the revised throttle tube offers extra clearance to combat Yama thumb, keeping your hands comfortable even during long sessions. Every change, no matter how small, is aimed at delivering a bike that not only performs at the highest level, but also adapts to the diverse demands of competitive dirt riding. Conclusion: the future of motocross is here. In summary, the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F stands as a testament to Yamaha's commitment to innovation and performance. Its refined chassis, powerful yet tunable engine, and advanced suspension make it a formidable contender on any track. At Acer Rider, we believe this bike is set to redefine the open-class motocross experience, offering a blend of raw power and precision handling that few can match. Thanks for joining us for this detailed look at the 2025 YZ450F. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and riding tips from Acer Rider. Happy riding and see you on the dirt.